Singular versus plural nouns. Nouns can be singular, one person, place or thing, or plural, more than one person, place or thing. This lesson focuses on how to recognize and form plural nouns in English. Singular nouns. A singular noun refers to one person, place, or thing. Example, cat, apple, chair, city. Plural nouns. A plural noun refers to more than one person, place, or thing. Most plural nouns are formed by adding s or es to the singular form. Rules for forming plural nouns. Most nouns become plural by adding s. Singular dog, car, book. Plural dogs, cars, books. Add es. For nouns that end in s, x, z, sh, ch, add es. Singular bus, box, brush, church. Plural buses, boxes, brushes, churches. Change y to is. For nouns that end in a consonant plus y, change y to is. Singular baby, city, country. Plural babies, cities, countries. If the noun ends in a vowel plus y, just add s. Singular boy, key, day. Plural boys, keys, days. Add vs. For nouns that end in f or fe, change f to vs. Singular wolf, knife, leaf. Plural wolves, knives, leaves. Exceptions. Some nouns like roof and chef just add s. Irregular plurals. Some nouns don't follow the regular rules. You must memorize these. Singular man, woman, child, tooth, mouse. Plural men, women, children, teeth, mice. Some nouns have the same singular and plural forms. Singular deer, sheep, fish. Plural deer, sheep, fish. Create sentences. Write one sentence using a singular noun. Example, the cat is sleeping. Plural noun. Example, the cats are sleeping.